Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Uno, you want to go to Petco? Do you want to go where the pets go? I'm buying him a couple new toys and he gets to pick them out. I do have to carry him for part of the walk because it's a really long walk. I don't mind carrying him. Oh, he's looking at everything. Ooh, Petco! We're so excited. He's a little nervous, but it'll be fine. It'll be fun. He's gonna pick out some toys. Uno, what do you think of this? Do you like it? That's a yes, we'll get that. I'm also getting him a plant, and he's really excited about that. He loves, oh, he's already trying to eat it. We're gonna add that to the basket. Oh, you can't have it yet. You gotta wait till I pay for it. Ugh, can't even wait. It's an avocado. Uno, do you want an avocado? Oh, that's a yes. Excited for everything in your basket, Uno? Oh, wow. All right, Uno, come on, we gotta go pay. Let's go to the register. He's very patiently waiting in line. Let's go pay. Yep, this is my wallet. We're gonna pay with my money. We made it out of Petco successfully. Uno's a very happy cat. We have $50 in cat supplies. Because you're worth it, Uno.
Kapta. 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 The queen is coming. Kapta. Kapta.
It's not just a boulder, it's a rock.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Keeper. Alf! Come here, boy! Come on!
You always listen to me. Such a good guy. Paw? Other paw?
Good boy, Alf!
Aji, Mommy has something important to tell you. Listen up now. You're adopted.